Everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason your internet is not working inside of your Android phone. Now, number one, the first thing I'd recommend thinking about is to go through and just make sure that your Wi Fi connection or your data connection are properly configured and they're working. So make your way over into your settings application like this. Go ahead and go into connections and just make sure that you're connected to some sort of Wi Fi connection or Bluetooth connection. This is by far going to be the easiest thing to do because sometimes these toggles might be off, or you might be on airplane mode, and that could be another thing you might want to go and try to configure as well. So go through, make sure you are not on airplane mode, and that is another important thing to keep in mind. Now, if that's not working, you might also want to try going through and restarting your phone. So go through, find your power button, and try clicking on the restart button or just power it off, then power back on. That is another really easy thing you can kind of do to fix this problem as well, because that might end up fixing it for you, and that's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular situation. Now, if that's still not working, another thing I'd recommend doing here too is to just go through and see if you can, basically like go into a different application and try seeing if there's anything you can do on that side. You can also try connecting to a different Wi-Fi connection or cell service, maybe connect to a different Wi-Fi connection and see if you can update your phone. Sometimes you might just have to move to like a different place temporarily, like go to a Starbucks or McDonald's or something. Update your phone, see if there's an update available. That's another really easy way to fix this problem. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.